Hey everybody, Mr. Rubo here. So for the second question on the Essential Standards C formative, they wanted us to find the zeros of this quartic. So a lot of you try to do your P's and your Q's, the potential rational zeros, and that works, but it will take you much longer. Something you should note is we have a trinomial and the powers are in a ratio of 2 to 1, which whenever we see that, that means this thing factors, or we can at least attempt to factor this. So we can do some product sum. So the product of 18 and the sum is negative 11. So the two numbers that multiplied into 18 but add to negative 11 are negative 9, negative 2. Okay? Now, the only thing is, because this is x to the fourth, these two are going to be x squareds instead of just x's. Okay, so always check to factor, because it's factored, we can then actually solve the zeros much quicker. So this we can actually factor a little bit more to x plus 3, x minus 3. And then this cannot factor, at least with rational numbers. So we're going to leave those alone. And I should have had equals 0 here since we are finding the zeros. So now, because I've factored as much as I can, I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. We get x equals negative 3. So there's one answer. This one, same thing. X minus 3 equals 0. Add 3. So we get x equals positive 3. So there's two answers. Then x squared minus 2 equals 0. Well, this one we're going to add 2. It's positive, which is good, so we're not going to have any imaginaries. And then we're going to square root both sides. So we get x equals plus or minus square root of 2. Okay. So the key with this one, look for factoring first. It will always make your life easier. But once again, if you did your P's and your Q's, you would have found, hopefully at some point, that 3 or negative 3 would have been an answer, and you could have done synthetic and found it that way. It just takes a lot more time. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.